Around again. Ooh, a space, like a nebula Bitcoin. Another power Bitcoin thing going on. I like this one. We Are Satoshi with V for Vendetta, Anon guy going on. Crypto Kitty with Bitcoin. Isn't that so sweet? Another miner Bitcoin thing with some computer line. Oh, that's from the next coin. A little miner thing, a little computer kind of things. I like that one. That's kind of cute. What's that plant over there? I don't know what that plant is. I would not suggest that, kids. All right, there's a guy kind of dancing Bitcoin. That's cute. Another to the moon Bitcoin. A fancy metallic kind of. That's kind of cool too. All right, this is kind of gross. Hodl, kind of like pooping to the moon, I guess. I'm not sure about that one. What's this one say? I told you so since 2009. Yeah, I like that. I told a lot of people so. They don't get it. Hodl to the moon. Boy, if that's your rocket going to the moon, you're in trouble. This is good too. Bitcoin Bandit. Yeah, see, that's like a $100 bill, right? Okay. And the last one is, I guess they're saying God created Bitcoin. So, anyway, is at the coin show, a unboxing of crypto stickers. I thought they're kind of cool. I'm going to show you what I did. We'll display over here and attract the kids and their parents. I have some stickers and I have some doubloons, fake doubloons. And over here, I got Bobby C. Lee's book, The Promise of Bitcoin. I got more of that. So, hope you enjoyed that unboxing and me killing a little time here at the coin show.